China's semiconductor industry is rapidly expanding its wafer fabrication capacity, driven by significant government support, and is expected to lead the world in production volume by 2030, particularly in mature node chips. The catalytic effect of US-led export controls on its domestic industry suggests that China is on a trajectory to achieve a more independent and dominant semiconductor ecosystem. By investing heavily and leveraging government subsidies, China aims to reduce its dependence on imported chips and gain greater control over the semiconductor supply chain. China is making significant strides towards dominating the global semiconductor market, driven by a combination of massive state investment, rapid domestic production growth, and strategic advancements in key technologies. The country is already the world's largest consumer of semiconductors, purchasing over 50% of the chips manufactured globally. This strong domestic demand is fueling a surge in local production, with China now leading the world in the number of new semiconductor fabrication facilities under construction. Recent developments indicate a substantial shift in the global landscape. A report from the Korea Institute of Science and Technology, Evaluation and Planning, KISTEP, based on a survey of 39 South Korean semiconductor experts, confirms that China now ranks second globally in memory chip technologies, trailing only the United States. This marks a significant change from previous years, where South Korea held the second position. China is also rapidly increasing its production of legacy chips, closing the technology gap with industry leaders. China's dominance extends beyond finished chips. The country is aggressively expanding its control over the upstream supply chain. It is flooding the global polysilicon market with materials produced at below-cost prices, a strategy aimed at pushing out competitors and positioning Chinese firms to dominate this critical raw material for semiconductor manufacturing. This aggressive approach is part of a broader national strategy to achieve technological self-sufficiency. Furthermore, Chinese companies are making inroads into the global market for semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Naura Technology, China's largest such manufacturer, has already cracked the world's top 10 vendors.